so we have just finished another beautiful valved exhaust system. Come and have a look at this one. Last week we started off with building a catback system straight through, and we have 2 boxes here, and they are valved. If you come to see round the back, you can see where the valves are. When the valves are open, they go straight out into the tip. When the valves are closed, they redirect, bounce around this box, and then they go out the tip. And because there's 2 of them, it makes a nice big difference. The only issue we found was when we fitted this exhaust, it wasn't that loud at all. Even though it was a catback, and when the valves were open, they were straight through, it was still really quiet. And the reason, because these have a really big cat and a really big OPF, which took away a lot of the sound before it even reached the exhaust that we just built. So because this is a track car, we opted in for a downpipe, and now it sounds absolutely mega. Let's see what this sounds like with the valves open and closed.